This recording is intended to show progress on a page that I work on to allow the user to change the color underline for the Greek grammar. So on the top, I have different columns that show different colors. For example, in this case, is red for imperative and all the way to magenta for participle. And the way I decided to use this color is because of the rainbow color type of scheme. But if the user choose to change that, so for example, if the user don't want too many highlights, then it's possible that they can change the color. And when they change the color on this screen, then when they change the color with this button, then the color on the screen change at the same time. So this is an example. So for example, if I want to use black for imperative, then I can do that. For the verb tense, I have it on the left side for the different rows. So I can select the type of underline. I have the arrows as the present tense right now, but if I choose to use the wave, then I can do that. In addition, some of the underline can be animated. The two that underline that cannot be animated are the solid underline and the two underlines. You'll see why. So when I say click on the button animate, then the image will move to the right. Dash can be animated too. It's possible to adjust the animation screen speed to be faster. The solid underline, either the one or two lines or underline cannot be animated. Because if you move it from left to right, it doesn't show anything. So if the user want animation, then they need to select a type of underline that can be animated. For the passive voice, I add another underline. This is like the bottom 2 pixels for the underline, and you can select the color for that also. And you can select a second color for an underline, then it will alternate. So for example, right now it alternates from green to white, but let me make it more obvious. The last 2 pixels of the underline alternate from green to red. I can also create a background color for the underline image. If I make it black, then it will be more obvious that all the passive voice have a black color background and then with the underline in front. So the next step is to add this into the step web page that from the start.jsp. Then my intention is to allow the user to click on something on start.jsp to say they want to configure the color coding, and then this web page will open up, and then whatever the user selected with the color buttons on top or the type of underline on the left or the last 3 for the passive voice, then it will be saved into browser storage. So that's it for now.